ang kaarawan ni Miguel, nagdesisyon ang mga scholar na magsuot ng formal sa kanilang klase.
What's fun? Bro, formal today, ha? Formal, di ba?
Sa Dixon class, isa-isang connect ni Teacher Von ang kakantahin ng mga scholars sa Sabado.
I like your outfits. You like our armpits?
Sorry.
Sana laging ganito. Sir, because it is Miguel's birthday tomorrow and it's my birthday on Sunday. But we're both proby, so we won't be able to celebrate it sabay. So we're celebrating.
So is this a reason why you're wearing this?
Yes, and other stuff too. Hilarious! Wipe what's here.
I like it. I like it better.
But I never lost a minute of sleep, and when worrying about the way things might have been, we're rolling on the river.
Sila Arnie, bukod sa English, ay kailangan rin mag-Italian sa kakantahin niya.
Un mondo di giustizia e di speranza.
Ognuno
dila manual so vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità, la forza che ci dai.
Palakpakan niyo naman kami kunyari.
Upang maturuan sila Arnie, nakapag-duet si Teacher Von sa kanya.
La luce che tu dai nel cuore resterà a ricordarci che la eterna stella sei. With your grace, give us faith so we'll be saved. E la fede che hai acceso in noi, sento che ci salve.
Pagkatapos ng klase, diretso sa boys' bedroom, sina Sen, Van at Hugon.
Bakit nawala? Bakit iniwan nila? Alam mo, I had candy here, all gone.
Hindi ako kumuha.
No, but I'm saying I had candy there, it's all gone.
Hindi ako kumuha.
You found it?
Pwede pa playback pa natin sa camera na. Ha? Ay kumuha? Ha?
Alam ko si Bugoy took my candy. Kawatan. 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 Kawatan.
Ako lang naman palagi mong sinisisi pag sa kanya. Kaya ako kanina ako.
Oo. Okay lang. Mabuti na lang.
Pero ang biro pala ni Sen ay dinamdam ni Bugoy.
You still ate because you need to take your medicine.
Natay ko na yung medicine ko.
Little bro.
Natay ko na nga.
You took it na.
Gusto ko talagang pahinga. Hindi ko kumain.
Ano ko na nun?
Hindi ako galit sa'yo. May headache lang ako.
Oo, sabi mo, may side comment narinig ko. Sige mo, okay lang yun.
Wala naman.
Alam mo, may na-offend ka sa sinabi ko. Sabi mo para, di ba?
Wala. Forgot
Wala
it.
ba?
I forgot it. Kahit mahirap ako, hindi ako magnanakaw.
Magnanakaw? Oh, yung candy! Alam ko, hindi ikaw. Sila, kinuha yung candy kasi bawal. Nakita nila sa ganon.
Hindi kami nagdadrama.
Hindi.
Lumapit kasi ito eh. Papahinga ako.
Whatever. Alam na, you know, you can't hide it from us anymore, Bogs. We know you can. Ben, do you know him that well?
Tigilan mo na ako, please.
I'm just saying, if you got offended sa candy joke, yun, joke lang yun.
Dramahan
Hindi
session.
naman ako. Kakainis
Wala na
naman
akong
kayo.
gana. Wow.
Yung candy, alam ko kinuha nila.
Wala na akong gana.
Wala yun.
Kasi bawal yung candy.
Maya-maya, pagpasok ni Direk Joey ay napansin din niya ang mga nakaporma
God.
sa scholars.
Hi. Why are you all dressed up?
For you.
Yeah, really? Oh,
We're
that's...
celebrating our birthdays together.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh.
Nakagaling ka talaga.
Ang ganyan na, naka-formal ka, pero yung buhok mo parang galing ka maglaba.
Kaya may pumasok na sa classroom ang mga scholars para sa panibagong media performance lesson.
Ngayon, gawin natin ito para kontrapunto naman sa ginagawa usually in-expect ng tao sa entablado sa inyo na bumihirit, larger than life performance. Now, bigyan natin ng karakter ng quietness. Para bagang, kung marunong ka ng manahe, na alam mo na yung basics ng pananahe, kailangan dagdagan mo ng difficulty yung tinatahi mo para lalong mapansin na hindi ka lang magaling manahe, kundi may identity yung pananahe mo.
Look into my eyes, my love, and see all the lovely things you are
Panginoon.
to me. So the little star was not too high.
Alam mo, Hansen, di ba nung una't-una pa naman, ang sinabi ko, ang magiging problema mo is dahil nga yung nipis ng boses mo. Dagdagan pa niya na, alam mo, nakikita ko mas malaking problema mo ngayon, hindi lamang yung nipis ng boses mo. Yung pressure na nilalagay mo sa sarili mo dahil gusto mong pumasok sa top 6. Stop worrying and just start working on it. I mean, this performance was a disaster for two reasons. One was that you were trying to do good, but in the process, you pressured yourself too much again. So, nafalpak ka. This is a repeat of your world famous and now Bailamos. Ready? And rolling 5, 4, give me 1, 3, 2.
Shadow of your smile when you are gone will color all my dreams and let dawn look into my eyes, my love.
Sel, you're a wonderful singer. That's why at the start you were the front runner. The problem is people began to catch up. Catching up does not necessarily mean matching your level of singing. Catching up means surprising the audience. Be brave, play. Bugoy does it, Larny does it, Chris is doing it. And by the law of God, even Miguel is doing it now.
I wish you blooms in the spring to give your heart a song to sing and then a kiss. But more than this, I wish you love. So with my best, my very best, I set you free.
You see what I mean?
I wish you should.
Hindi ba? Without that, you see how nice your di ba, Chris?
Yes, sir.
You sounded young, you sounded sexy, and you sounded like Miguel. That's the kind of personality we want to see from you. Okay? Let's give the fetus a big hand.